Okay, in this video, what I'm going to do, I'm starting a little series here. I'm going to diagnose a failed fan motor on a gas furnace. This probably would work for electric furnaces also, or oil, but I'm doing it on a gas furnace. And the first one I'm going to do is on an 80% furnace. Now this is a Janitrol GMP model 80%er. Now this is a scrap furnace that I've taken out of the dump. I use these for a lot of tests, so it's not a permanent install or anything like that. So I'm going to go over the steps it takes to determine if the fan motor has failed or it's something else. And I'll go over all the things that we need to know to determine if that fan motor's bad. Okay, the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to give this thing a call for heat. Now that's your inducer coming on. I'll kill some lights here so you can see a little better. And the burners are going to come on. Hot surface igniter will come on first, and then the burners will come on. But the fan's not going to come on. So let's see what the symptoms are. If you notice on the right hand side that hot surface igniter's on, burners are now on. You can hear them run. Okay, let's just wait this thing out. Now you should notice nothing has happened. I don't hear a fan motor trying to start. I don't hear any hums or anything like that. None of this stuff is happening. The burners are just running. Okay, now the burners have just shut off. So what's happened here is the limit switch has shut this thing off. There's a limit switch located right back here, and it's going to shut it off if the temperature gets too high in there. Now this was maybe a little longer than I would expect it to be, simply because the ambient air where I'm working, this is in my shop, it's actually about 35 degrees here. If you look real close in the background, you can see snow coming down, so maybe it's even colder yet. So, okay, nothing has happened. So what do I do next? Okay, generally what I like to do when I have a problem like this is I watch it cycle. When it does or doesn't do what it's supposed to, then I want to go directly to the part that's supposed to be working, and that's a fan motor. At this point, I'm going to go ahead and stop this video. I'm going to have several more videos on this. There's going to be a link at the end of this video. There'll be several links there to the different possibilities on what's happened and why this fan hasn't started. And so I'm going to take each one of these with its own video, and we'll determine what the problem is. Now this may not be a fan motor. It could be something else. So we want to be sure we're doing the right thing when we get this thing diagnosed. That's it for this one.